Celebrating the many talents of Dr. S. Amjad Hussain is much like walking into a bakery on a Saturday morning. You enjoy the mind-bending aromas and then you try to pick from among the tantalizing treats. Amjad is a writer, the author of 12 published books on as diverse a subject as religion, culture, history, and international relations. This young boy's regular column in the Toledo Blade is one of the paper's most read and reader-responded op-ed bylines. He's an award-winning photographer whose photographs have appeared on the cover of 27 magazines worldwide and in 6 calendars. He's a community leader, having served as president of the Academy of Medicine of Toledo, the Toledo Surgical Society, the Association of Pakistani Physicians of North America, and the Islamic Center of Greater Toledo, where he helped build one of the largest Islamic centers in North America. In 2007, the community leader was appointed to the University of Toledo's Board of Trustees by Governor Ted Strickland, an appointment the Blade trumpeted as a shot of wisdom for UT. He's also an explorer. In 1986, he founded the Team Indus Exploration Group, making 4 trips along the 2,000-mile river, which courses through China, India, and Pakistan. Team Indus was just the 3rd in history to reach the source of the river and the first to discover a shorter route to the source, a feat which was documented in an American PBS special and in a cover story in the prestigious Explorer's Journal. The newest inductee into the Medical Mission Hall of Fame has been called a Renaissance Muslim by the Journal of the Islamic Medical Association. While he is an author, photographer, community leader, and explorer, this versatile man of many talents is above all else a humanitarian who has devoted his life to improving the human condition. Amjad graduated with distinction from Khyber Medical College in Peshawar in 1962 and came to America for surgical training. That training to become a thoracic and cardiovascular surgeon took place in Toledo at the former Maumee Valley Hospital. It was here that he found a home away from home, making a difference in the lives of others. It was here that he met his late wife Dottie, who was a nurse. The couple has a daughter, Tasha Hussain Black, and 2 sons, Kari and Mani. And although Toledo was to become his adopted home, the physician has never forgotten his roots and the needs of those less fortunate around the world. For more than 40 years, he has gone on medical and teaching missions to the Dominican Republic, China, Libya, India, and his native Pakistan, along the way instructing a legion of medical students and doctors and donating tons of medical supplies and equipment. Viewing life as a relay race where you receive something and then pass it on, Amjad has passed the baton and kept hearts beating with his surgical skills, as well as a never-ending drive for collecting and donating medical supplies, especially expensive pacemakers. At each of Amjad's Toledo hospitals, an area was set up where administrative and medical personnel would stack supplies for his next trip. Knowing that extra pacemakers just wouldn't be lying around, Amjad went to work on his suppliers throughout his lengthy career, encouraging the distributors to keep one of their best volume customers happy with a buy some, get some free partnership. Many he implanted, others were given to global surgeons with the understanding they were only for those who couldn't afford to pay. His life scrapbook is filled with letters from grateful patients around the world and from grateful surgeons who said thank you on behalf of those who were not able to do so. When Amjad wasn't able to correct a problem himself, he enlisted the help of colleagues. On one mission trip to his native Pakistan in 2001, a boy named Altaf was walking like this on all 4s. Amjad went to the governor of the Northwest Frontier Province with an offer. If support could be found to fly the boy to Toledo, Amjad would arrange for corrective surgery. 3 major and 2 minor surgeries in a span of 3 months would follow at what is now the University of Toledo Medical Center and at St. Vincent Mercy Medical Center. Altaf was 10 years old then. The young boy is now a young man, able to enjoy a normal life, thanks to Amjad. In Pakistan, Amjad is a living legend. He returns annually to teach at Khyber Medical College, which recognized him with its first Lifetime Achievement Award during its Golden Jubilee celebration. Pakistanis tell stories of the exploits of the King of Peshawar, who mixes mission and exploration work at the same time, in one case saving the life of a man shot during tribal wars. With no chest tubes available, Amjad fabricated the needed implement from a flatus tube. Dr. S. Amjad Hussain says that he should have been an engineer because he likes to build bridges. It's true, because his ability to design new life blueprints for others has earned him a spot in the Medical Mission Hall of Fame as a member of the class of 2012.